Have you ever tried to use Google Maps, Uber, or Find My Phone, and it just didn't work? Or maybe you're worried about apps tracking you when you don't want them to. That's because your location settings control all of that. Today, I'll show you how to turn location on or off on any phone. I'll demonstrate on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and also show you how to do it on other Android phones and iPhones so everyone can follow along. So if you have Samsung Galaxy like this phone, you will go to settings. So this is settings here. You tap settings and you go to location. That's location here, location, and you switch, you toggle this on or off. You toggle that button on and off. When location is on, apps like maps, ride sharing apps, delivery apps, and emergency services can find you accurately. When it's off, your phone stops sharing your location, which helps with privacy and battery saving. So on other Android phones, you go to settings, again settings, and you search. You can go to your settings and you go here and you search for it, search location, or you can go to privacy and security and then to location. You toggle it on or off. On some phones, you can also swipe down. This one do that too. So does that too. So you swipe down here on to go to the quick setting. This is the quick setting, and you find the location here. So this like this, touching it, I'm sure you can see it. You can turn it on and off here too. Okay, and yeah, so but for iPhone users, you go to your settings app and you tap say privacy and security, and you tap location services. You toggle location services on and off. So when location is on, apps like maps, Find My iPhone, and emergency services work properly. When off, apps can't track your location. So why location is important? You need location turned on for navigation and directions, ride sharing and food delivery apps, emergency SOS and Find My Phone, weather, and nearby services. You may want it off if you're protecting your privacy, you want to reduce battery usage, or you don't want certain apps tracking you. So that's how to turn location on or off on any smartphone. It takes just a few seconds, but it makes a big difference in how your phone works. If this helped you, like, share, and follow for more phone tips.